we were down there. Good Lord. Look at that beast in the woods. Go ahead, Justin. Do it. Do it.